Dear viewers, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. Today I discuss chromosome as physical basis of heredity. Now we know that chromosome is the physical basis of heredity. This phenomenon is proved by 4 experiments. Today I discuss these 4 experiments to understand the phenomenon that chromosome is a physical basis of heredity. I think this class will be very helpful for us. Thanks to watch my video. Please subscribe my channel at first. Please like and comment. At first, I discuss Mendelian factor. Gregor Johann Mendel is the father of genetics. He formulated 2 very important laws for genetics. These are the basic law. When he formulated these laws for genetics, chromosome or gene was not discovered at that time. So he did not know about chromosome or gene. But now we know that this factor is gene, which is located on the chromosome. Behavior of factor A is similar to chromosome. This idea is given by Sutton that chromosome is the physical basis of heredity. When gene was discovered, Johansen 1909 said that gene is factor. It is located on the chromosome. So Mendelian factor is similar to gene. Now I discuss 4 experiments for chromosome. Chromosome is a physical basis of heredity. These 4 experiments are Nullisomy, sex determination, bar I of Drosophila, Trisomy. At first, I discuss Nullisomy. This is also explained as 2n minus 2, 2 set chromosomes minus 2. That means in case of human, we have 46 chromosome in diploid condition. If any person has 44 chromosome, that means that is Nullisomy. In case of wheat, absence of 16 part of chromosome, 16th chromosome, wheat becomes colorless. Its grain is colorless. It is occurred by meiosis 1 non-disjunction. In this example, we see that in case of meiosis 1, both chromosome comes to one gamete, but other gamete or other cell has no chromosome. It is known as Nullisomy. When a set of chromosome or homozygous chromosome is absent in a cell or in a gamete. After meiosis 1, one cell has both two chromosome, but one cell has no chromosome. After meiosis II, two gametes has two homozygous chromosome or homologous chromosome. This is known as disomic. When any gamete has two set or two homozygous chromosome or two homologous chromosome, this condition is known as disomic. On the other hand, this cell has no homozygous chromosome. When this creates gametes has no chromosome, so these gametes are known as nullisomic gametes. In case of sex determination, this is also the experiments for chromosome is physical basis of heredity. In this case, we see that when two X chromosome present in a zygote, this zygote creates female person. When a zygote has X and Y chromosome, this zygote creates male person. So sex of person is dependent on XX or XY chromosome. XY chromosome is responsible for sex determination. So this is also experiment or evidence for chromosome as physical basis of heredity. Next experiment is bar I of Drosophila. Here we see that 1/16 part of salivary chromosome when present in zygote, it creates normal Drosophila. Drosophila has normal eye. When more 16 part present in zygote, it creates bar eye. This is heterozygous bar eye. This is normal wild type eye. Normal eye. Normal eye is different from bar eye. This is heterozygous bar eye. Heterozygous means this 16 part is more than one. It is present on one chromosome, but other chromosome has 1/16 part. On the other hand, other chromosome has 2/16 part gene. When 16 part is 2 on both chromosome, on two homozygous chromosome, it creates homozygous bar I. Homozygous bar I is different from heterozygous bar I. Last experiment is trisomy. Trisomy means 2n plus 1. In case of human, we explain this. We have 46 chromosome in diploid cell. When diploid cell has 47 chromosome, it is known as trisomy. This experiment is done in Datura stramonium. Datura stramonium, This is wild type. It has normal 2n, two sets of chromosome, diploid condition. When zygote has 2n chromosome, it creates such type of wild type. Rolled. This is rolled fruit. It is created when zygote has 2n plus chromosome 1. C1 mean chromosome 1, first chromosome. If first chromosome is more than 2, this creates rolled fruits. Glossy. This is creates when zygote has 2n plus chromosome 2. Buckling. Fruits created when zygote has 2n plus chromosome 3. Elongate. Fruits created when its zygote has 2n plus chromosome 4. Echinus. Its zygote has 2n plus C5. Cocklever. Its zygote has 2n plus chromosome 6. Microcarpic. Its chromosome has 2n plus chromosome 7. Reduced. Its zygote has 2n plus C8 chromosome 8. Poinsettia. Its zygote has 2n plus chromosome 9, ninth chromosome. Spinat. Its zygote has 2n plus chromosome 10. Globe. Its chromosome, its zygote has 2n plus C11 or chromosome 11. Ilex. Its zygote has 2n plus chromosome 12. So, in case of trisomy, we found various types of fruits of Datura stramonium. This is these are these phenotypes are created due to trisomic condition. In this case, we found that any chromosome, it has 12 chromosome. When any one chromosome present in trisomic condition, it creates different types fruits. So this is the evidence of chromosome is physical basis of heredity. I think this class will be very helpful. You may understand the lecture. If you have any question, please mention your question, write your question in the comment box. I shall try to explain your query. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.